Good morning, students. Now we are going to start your next chapter, chapter 2 of your English course book, Four Friends. Four means enemy. Enemies, those who are from our neighboring countries, but still they are friends for all of us. Now your chapter starts. What are you holding, Mike? This is a badge belonging to my grandpa's friend. There's an amazing story behind it. Wow, please tell me the story. Okay, Sammy, this is the story behind the badge that Grandpa told me. Now he's telling story. My dad worked in an Indian embassy in Islamabad, and I spent the most precious years of my life there. Mehraj Sheikh was my roommate and best buddy at the embassy school. We were just around 12 back then, and we both shared similar dreams. They both, Mehraj Sheikh and his dad, both were friends. We wanted to serve the nation. They wanted to be in the army and serve the nation. Then one day, my dad got transferred. Then Mehraj Sheikh was there only, and his dad, Sammy's dad, Grandpa, was transferred, and our lives changed. Later we found out that the national emergency had been declared across the country, owing to the fact that the nation's security has been threatened by the external aggression. During the emergency, some fundamental rights, including the right to freedom of Indian citizens, were automatically suspended. Indian citizens were not having that fundamental right, which is right to freedom. They were not having freedom to live anywhere and do whatever they want. We were going back to New Delhi. They were from India, and now they have returned back to New Delhi. Will you come back, Raghuveer? Mehraj asked. Mehraj asked when we were at the airport. When they were leaving, then Mehraj asked Raghuveer that whether you will come back or not. Now Raghuveer answered every summer vacation. He promised Mehraj that he will return here during summer vacations. Think of me whenever you see a military badge. Now, he also said this, that if you think, whenever you think military badge or military uniform, whenever you see military badge, he will think of Raghuveer, and whenever he will think of military uniform, then he will think of Mehraj Sheikh. They waved goodbye to each other. The first half of that promise was the part I broke first. First half was broken when Raghuveer did not visited Mehraj Sheikh during the summer vacations. I never got a chance to see Mehraj again. For a full year, I pleaded with my parents, trying to persuade them to visit our old house again. Raghuveer wanted to visit his friend, but still his parents were not allowed to go out of India. They would not budget in their resistance. They would not budge in their resistance. They declared firmly that it was not crying and begging that ultimately failed. They declared firmly that it was not possible because we did not belong there. Their parents asked Raghuveer that we did not belong to that area, so we are not allowed to go there. Following some hunger strikes, but it was failed. It was only then that I started paying attention to the other things in my life in New Delhi. After that, incident, Raghuveer started paying attention to the other things in New Delhi. He started his life at my new school with different friends to be end of my childhood. And that was the end of his childhood. That means he made another different friends which distracted his memories of Islamabad. However, I regarded this period to be the end of my childhood. I blocked out all the memories of the wonderful time I had spent there. He slightly came out of that memories which he spent with his friend Mehraj Sheikh. They started to fade away. That was until a few months ago when Mehraj came back into my life. It was a beautiful spring morning and I was willing away my time in front of the computer. Just as they grown up and now he has sat before the computer and was on his Skype chat. Skype page was open and I was talking with few college friends. Raghuveer was talking to few college friends and suddenly a friend request popped up. Suddenly a friend request came to his Skype chats. I stared at the words. He was stunned to see the name written that was Mehraj Sheikh. Mehraj Sheikh wants to be your friend. I was stunned and could not believe my eyes. He was shocked and surprised even to see that Mehraj Sheikh was always searching my profile. I read the request about 5 times. He was not convinced that he have been searching for him many times, but he has forgotten all these memories. My heart was pounding as I opened his profile. It was him, actually him, the same tall, dark haired guy with brown eyes with whom I had shared the best days of my life. He had searched for me online, and when we connected, we couldn't stop talking about how our lives have changed. He was still the same boy I had known. We talked about our school, college, friends, and jobs. We had both joined our respective armies. Now they both were in the armies. Now they have got their destinations, whatever the dreams they were having, and all these dreams have come true. And now they both were in the army.